Hey friends, so just gonna be showing you how to remove a fan real quick. And this particular one, you just have 4 screws on the sides. And just loosen those up. So generally these have like one with like a solid hole. Or basically where the screw does not have an outlet. So on this side it has a little notch where you can just loosen it up basically and then remove the whole fixture there. Alright, so there's one screw. It's going to be one on the other side here. And the other two we can just loosen up and remove this. So this one here can just be loosened. And then the one on the other side can be loosened here as well. Okay. And once that is done, should just be able to turn this. And it comes down. Just like that. Now if you have a hook or something, this one has a hook right up at the top. That's going to hold our fan in place while we just remove the wires. So super easy. Just take those wires out. Take those wires out. And take those wires out. And then we just take it off the hook. And that's how you do it. Easy to handle, no problem there. And thanks for watching this video.